Hello, this is Eric Miscoll with EMSNOW. I'm at SMTAi International in Rosemont here in 2019, talking to people on the floor. I have Tim with Indium joining me today. Tim, thanks for joining.
Good morning, Eric. Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. I just wanted to cover a couple issues with you. It's obviously a busy show for Indium here.
It is.
Let's start with, first of all, 85th anniversary this year for Indium. Do tell. You guys got quite a history.
Yeah, it's pretty exciting. We started back in 1934 with 3 engineers trying to understand the element indium and what commercial and industrial applications there could be for that element. And they did quite well, found a lot of niches around the world, developed into things like indium for ball bearing coating in jet engines was a really good one, some other industrial applications. And then we expanded into things like lead and tin-based preforms for transistor radios and televisions, really enabling those technologies. We've gotten into solder paste pretty heavily. That's a big part of our business now, of course. If you look around the room here, most of the equipment manufacturers have a sign with indium solder paste or preforms or cord wire being used. We've got some new products we're really excited about. Sintering, for example, is a hot topic in the PCB world. I think Durafuse was an interview earlier for low temperature applications. We've got on display our Inform solution for ensuring bond line thickness in preform applications, electronics assembly. So it's pretty exciting. We're almost 900, or we're over 900 people strong, about 13 facilities around the world now.
So tell me, how does that work? You mentioned working with all the different manufacturing companies, and it's being demonstrated here on the floor. Tell me about those relationships, how you work with those guys. Are you constantly kind of in their facilities, there in your labs, kind of talking and planning the next phase, or how does that go?
It's an exciting industry. So there's a lot of shows around the world, not unlike this one, some small shows, and we try to build relationships with the main equipment manufacturers in the industry. We do have some assigned technicians at our facility who focus on different equipment manufacturers, and we make sure that we're helping them with material solutions, and when they have problems, we give our materials perspective, and they help us with equipment. A lot of them donate equipment or let us use their equipment in our facilities, and we work together to help the end user have a great experience with both the equipment and the materials.
Absolutely. And now a big issue for the industry moving forward, and I know for Indium, is 5G, right? Yeah. So that's an exciting, it's coming, it's here. Where are you guys at?
Yeah, I mean, it's coming. The infrastructure is already starting to get built out, at least on the long-range base infrastructure. A lot of that is an upgrade of the 4 or 4.5G infrastructure. We play primarily in the solder paste world for the infrastructure as well as preforms. There's some unique challenges in 5G with power. Power goes up the farther you go. And then in some of the transceivers is a big market for us, where the fiber optics coming in and out of the electronic equipment. Our gold tin preforms are used there. Some of our compound semiconductor materials are used in those applications as well.
Excellent. So anything else then, as far as the material sciences, what you guys are doing? Is there, you've talked about quite a bit here already, but did we forget anything there?
Yeah, I don't think I gave the tagline. We really believe material science changes the world, and we're committed to it for this industry.
Yeah, and it's an exciting one that's constantly changing, so you have your work cut out for you, right?
It is.
Well, Tim, thank you for your time today.
Okay.
I appreciate it, and continued success at the show.
Thank you, Eric.